Good day everyone. Welcome to Cobb because today his 11th birthday. So my son is diagnosed by the age of 3 years old having an autistic. He is non-speaking. So there is a great challenges to us no for taking care of him, but nevertheless he is an apple of our eyes, bring us joys and happiness. So I just pray no that the Lord will help us no him also, that someday he can talk if ever, or he can learn how to become independent in small little ways. So I just wish happy birthday son Jacob. Always remember that we love you. I dedicate all my achievements in our achievements of our family to you. uh, Praying for your good health and happiness. So to all my viewers, thank you so much no for supporting my channel, for the views, likes and subscribe. I hope that you will continue support my channel. Thank you so much guys, and see you to the next video. Bye bye for now. This is your friend Jake saying until to the next video guys. Take care everyone.